What's up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of kind of rebuilding my ultimate gaming setup. We're going to be starting out with this beast. This is the new monitor for the setup. I'm going to see if I can get two monitors on my 55-inch desk. But this is a monster. Let's crack it open. Alright, guys, so we're gonna just start with unboxing it. First, this is the Scepter 32-inch curved monitor. It's a pretty nice deal. Got it for 200 bucks on Amazon, link in the description. Free 2-day shipping on it, of course. But yeah, this guy's a huge beast. Like, monstrous. Go. It's open now. So we pull out here just some monitor manual and some screws, power supply, looks to be cables, and then that's everything in the box. This is a part of the stand here. This is the base of the stand, and then here's the monitor, guys. Yeah, this looks great. Now I'm going to basically just put the stand on it so that way it's usable on the desk. So let's do that. Oh gosh, I don't really want to be careful with this. Alright, this guy can now stand upright. Let's get this thing on the desk. Alright, guys, so all that I have to do now is basically turn my PC off, take off these two, and then go from there. So let's do that. That's one. That's the second one. Okay, so now I think it's time for me to put the big guy on the desk right here. Looks really empty, it's funny. Big guy on the desk, and then let's talk about wiring and cabling and what we've got in the box. Guys, this thing is huge. Let me get a closer look. This thing is humongous. But now I'm going to take off all of this. And this is the one thing I like about being a tech YouTuber, is that you get to do this quite a bit. Way more than it should have. Now we can turn this guy around. Oh, just like that. Looks nice. And take it off. And now we've got a very nice IPS monitor that can actually turn basically like this. A little bit of swivel. So let's take a look at what we get in the box here. And the things you'll need to hook this up properly are the cables box unless you've already got an HDMI cable going to it. You're still gonna need one. Oh, and look at that. They include a screwdriver, so you don't need one actually. And then in another bag, the power supply is in one of those. It looks just like a DC adapter to a transformer, which is actually pretty thick here. In this box you get your screwdriver. Looks like your VGA cable here, which I will not be using. And then we've got the HDMI cable, which I will most likely be using. If not, then I've just got another HDMI cable roaming around the house. This guy looks like it's pretty good length though. Actually, this guy looks kind of short. Maybe enough, probably, definitely enough for what I'm using, but it's no more than 3 feet, I want to say, maybe 4. 1, 2, 3, maybe even 5. This thing is not that long. Okay guys, so she's all wired up. We've got the light on, everything looks really good. I'm gonna see if I can fit another monitor on there though. I'm very doubtful. Like, very doubtful. We're not gonna be doing that, boys, but we will. I promise to you is that we will be getting another one of these monitors in the future. Power button in 3, 2, 1. And we're in. This monitor is amazing. So guys, basically to conclude, we went over a very awesome monitor for my new setup. Just over there, it's incredible. I really love it. May look big on this desk, but maybe on a different desk it'll look a little nicer, a little bit different. That's a hint to a future video that's a couple months away. But anyway, thanks guys for sticking all the way through this. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed this, and I think we're gonna have another one of these parts very soon because we're getting some new furniture for this room. It's gonna be crazy. This will be one of the coolest gaming editing rooms in my opinion. But anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. I really hoped you enjoyed it. I mean, I just can't get over that. It's amazing. It's a little different to get used to, even though I've been using it for a minute or two, but it is super cool, and I really just can't wait to use it and give you guys a review, so look out for that coming up soon. But other than that, my name's Eddie. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 2, and see you later. Peace.